chain of thought, a prompting technique where the model is encouraged to show its step-by-step reasoning process before arriving at a final answer. This improves accuracy on complex reasoning tasks. Why it matters? Chain of thought prompting can dramatically improve LLM performance on math, logic, and multi-step reasoning tasks, often the difference between wrong and right answers. Think of it this way, like showing your work on a math test. Working through each step makes you less likely to make mistakes and helps identify where errors might creep in. For example, prompting. If a store has 23 apples and sells 17, then receives 12 more, how many apples? Think step by step. The model reasons. 23, 17, 6, 6 pearls, 12, 18,